Good morning, students. So, today let us start with question number 4 of exercise 8.1. The question is that show the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. So, we are given a square ABCD in which diagonals AC and BD are its diagonals. We have to prove that AC equals to BD and AC bisects BD at right angles. Means we have to prove that OA equals to OC, OB equals to OD and AC is perpendicular to BD. Now to prove, let us take triangle ABC, this triangle ABC and triangle BAD, these two triangles, this one and this. Now in these two triangles, what do we find? That AB equals to AB common, BC equals to AD because they are the sides of the square and we know that all sides of a square are equal, and angle ABC, this angle equals to angle BAD, each equal to 90 degree because ABCD is a square. So the two triangles are congruent by SAS congruency rule, that is SAS. Therefore AC equals to EBD by CPCT. Now in triangle AOB, this triangle AOB and triangle COD, these two triangles we are considering now, what do we find? At AB equals to DC, angle AOB equals to angle COD, vertically opposite angles, and angle OAB, this angle is equal to angle OCD, this angle. But so what do we find? Why are they equal? Because they are alternate interior angles. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent by AAS congruency rule. Therefore, OA equals to OC by CPCT. Similarly, by taking triangles AOD and BOC, we can prove that OB equals to OD. Now in triangle ABC, this triangle, what do we find? That angle BAC plus angle BCA equals to 90 degree. This angle BA, why? Because this angle is 90 degree. So these two angles will also, sum of these two angles will also be equal to 90 degree. Or now we have already proved that angle BAC equals to angle BCA. Therefore twice angle BAC equals to 90 degree, or angle BAC, this angle is equal to 45 degree. So this angle is 45 degree, or we can also write out as angle BCO, this angle. If we can write angle BAC or angle BCA equals to 45 degree, so angle BCO is also equal to 45 degree. Similarly, angle CBO is equal to 45 degree. Now in triangle BCO, angle BCO plus angle CBO plus angle BOC equals to 180 degree. Now we have already found out angle CBO equals to 45 degree and angle BCO also equals to 45 degree. So 45 plus 45 plus angle BOC equals to 180 degree, or angle BOC is equal to 90 degree. So what do we find? That BO is perpendicular to OC or BO is perpendicular to AC. Hence AC equals to BD and AC is perpendicular to BD, AO equals to OC and OB equals to OD. Now question number 5. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angles, then it is a square. So it is just the converse of question number 4. So we have taken ABCD as a quadrilateral in which diagonals AC and BD are equal and bisect each other at right angles. We have to prove that ABCD is a square. Now since ABCD is a quadrilateral and whose diagonals bisect each other, so it is a parallelogram. Also we know that if diagonals bisect each other at right angles, therefore ABCD is a rhombus. Therefore, if it is a rhombus, means all the four sides of the quadrilateral are equal. That is AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. Now we will take two triangles ABC and triangle BAD. Now in these two triangles, AB equals to AB common, BC equals to AD, sides of the rhombus, and AC equals to BD given. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent by SSS congruency rule. Therefore, angle ABC equals to angle BAD by CPCT. But what do we find? That angle ABC and plus angle BAD equals to 180 degree. Why they are? Because they are co-interior angles. So angle ABC. Now we have already proved that ABC equals to BAD. So in place of BAD we can write down ABC, or in place of ABC we can write down BAD. Therefore angle ABC plus angle ABC equals to 180 degree, or twice angle ABC or twice angle BAD equals to 180 degree, or angle ABC equals to BAD equals to 90 degree. Therefore, angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C equals to angle D equals to 90 degree. Why? Because we know that the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal, and we have proved that angle B equals to angle A equals to 90 degree. And also we have found out that AB equals to BC equals to CD is equal to DA. So if all the four angles are equal to 90 degree, all the four sides are equal, therefore ABCD is a square. Hence proved.